Okay, so we over here in Vermont. We in Vermont. They're actually getting us situated, and this is the surroundings. Lots of good trees, but it's just gonna get ready to get unloaded or get loaded, and then I can let you know the aftermath. What did you press? Right here where it says Steph. Oh, okay. And then it'll start. And the other one to put it back. Yeah, as soon as it stops buzzing, that's when it'll start. So I appreciate it. Okay. Hold your horses. All right. Here we are. Good tarpon. Oh boy. Good tarpon. All right, so we in Ohio. We like 80 miles away. From where we need to deliver. And so not a bad trip. I just want to put y'all on board. I be forgetting sometimes to give y'all a little recap of what's going on. I be out the way, get straight to that bed, get a little workout in. I be forgetting about letting y'all know what else is happening. Sometimes, forgive me for my sins. But yeah, so we finna slide, get a little workout in. I'm about to see y'all tomorrow. Cartersville, Georgia. We're in Cartersville, Georgia. We at this spot at Jerdal, right? And we've been waiting for 3.5 hours now. So, and I don't even know when they close. I don't know anything about them closing. I don't know if they're 24 hours. I don't know anything. All I know is that we gotta wait till our phone gets the notification for us to be able to get on that scale and get loaded up and get tarped up. Now, and I only got an hour and a half as far as time. So I don't know where I'm gonna park when I get done with this. So everybody here, trucks, 100 deep, and we just gotta wait on the notification. So that's where we at right now. We're just waiting for dear life, trying to figure out what's going on. So we'll get back with y'all when we get loaded up.
6.5 hours later.
Y'all tell me it ain't so. At least we got a nap in. It's 2 o'clock in the morning right now. They called us telling us to pull up. It's time for us to get loaded. So this is where we at right now. So, I don't think I told y'all, but it's 4 o'clock right now. We slept here, and now we got driving time, so we can be able to leave after this. So, once we leave, we're gonna see if we can drive all the way up to Indiana and be good for the day. But we're gonna have to survive off some coffee today, boy, because boy tired.
Done take me all on red, that's a cold hold. Then you hit me late at night, you suppose that, yeah. But you already know that, yeah. And I love it when you throw that, yeah. Shawty, where you sold at.
Alright, y'all.
Like a you be moving like a got me checking for you go now, yeah. You be told I keep calling. All of my feelings I'm all in. She be playing games, she spotting. Always fade away, hesitate, keep crossing. Steady with the pivot like Jordan. I've been tryna run the place, she pausing. I've been tryna plan the date, she stalling. Think she ain't ready for me. So beware, she's scared of loving me. So beware, she's scared of commitments. So beware, she's scared of loving me. So beware, she's scared of commitments. Shawty so delusional. Is she not the girl I used to know? What you tryna use me for? Know what you tryna bruise me for? Plus you meet me late night at night. Tell me come over. Wanna get some then dip, I know, yeah. Crazy thing I still come over. Crazy thing I'm still so beware, she's scared of loving me. So beware, she's scared of commitments. So beware, she's scared of loving me. So beware, she's scared of commitments. So beware, she's scared of loving me. So beware, she's scared of commitments. So beware, she's scared of loving me. So beware, she's scared of commitments.
All inclusive. I was taught make no excuses. As a man, you can't be useless. Man up cause these people ruthless. Down down, these thoughts clueless. Lobster Mac, I'm up at roof. Chris, from my tone, you peep the smoothness. In this world, you get the loot. Then your dreams is gonna be lucid. Fool me one time, shame on you. Second time, you gonna be foolish. All that BS for the birds. They come to me, I'm chucking deuces. I stay loyal to the soil, never out here breaking truces. On this road, it's bumps and bruises. Either you move smart or stupid. Nike's on my